Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to sew an invisible zipper, and this method that I'm going to do today is the most easiest way that I can think of. And for this dress I'm going to do a back zipper, and this method applies to any garments that you are sewing. It can be front zipper or back zipper or even a side zipper. And for this dress I'm going to take this length of the zipper that I want and do a marking. From that marking down to the bottom of the dress I'm going to do a stitching. That stitching going to be the back seam. So that's the back seam, and do a little back stitch. And that's the stitching line. And for the zipper I'm going to place it wrong side up. The wrong side up is where you can see the zipper teeth. That's the wrong side up. So that wrong side up, I'm going to open up the seam and place the wrong side up zipper on top of that right side of the fabric. From the top of the dress I'm going to stitch the zipper just right below, quarter inch below to the stitching line. And if I take that, if you see this the stitching point, and this is the right side of the fabric, so and the raw edges meet the raw edges and the teeth are inwards, facing inwards, and I'm going to stitch from the top down to the stitching just right below the stitching point. If you want, you can crease it with iron, and you can follow that line and place the zipper just right next to the stitching line and stitch right below the stitching point and do a back stitch. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of the zipper. Now open up the back seam where I can see this right side of the fabric. Place the zipper on top of that and make sure wrong side is up and right side is facing the right side of the fabric, and hold on to the top and do a same stitching until to the just right below the stitching point, and make sure the zipper is straight, is not up and down. Hold it up again, the raw just meeting the raw edge and the teeth are facing inwards, and make sure both the zipper is same. Now I'm going to sew this side of the zipper. Hold the zipper straight. Now I'm just coming down just right below the stitching point, and the zipper is really done. Now I'm going to close up the zipper and make sure there's no thread is getting into the zipper teeth. If not, you will stuck just like that. make sure there's no thread. Now the zipper is really done. And if we're going to see from the right side of the dress, that's the right side of the dress, you can see how neat the zipper and the seams look. And that's the stitching point, so the zipper won't go beyond that zipper stitching point, because already we lock it there. And we can finish off with the folding the zipper inside and give a little stitching at the side of the neckline, and whatever the extra zipper at the back of the dress, we can cut it off and do a stitching. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and do share with your friends. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I see you again in another video. Until then, see you, bye bye, and take care.